ABC is a triangle. DE is parallel to FG. We know that because of the arrows on the line. Write down with reasons the value of angle A, which is this angle here, and then write down with reasons the value of angle B, which is this angle here. Okay, in the first case, angle A, if we draw those red bit here, you'll see here what we've got is a Z angle or alternate angles, and alternate angles are equal, so therefore A is equal to 24, reason being alternate angles. Right, now we've got to find B. Well, first of all, I'm going to find this one here, and I'm going to call this angle here C. Now, angle C is equal to 35 because these two lines cross, these are vertically opposite. And then I can use the idea of an F angle or corresponding angles that these two are then equal. So angle B will be equal to C, which is 35 corresponding angles. So there's been a video to show you how to use alternate angles and corresponding angles. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.